Hello, world. I have the pleasure and honor to help with the debut of Maricaros's new expanded studio here in Scripps Ranch, right?
Yep.
So I have the founder and CEO here with his lovely wife. So I have a Christian. Christian, thank you for having us again, man.
Yes, sir.
Just within a couple months of knowing you guys, we got a chance to see your first location.
Yeah.
And today we get to see the expansion
Yeah.
of the new location.
Yeah.
So we're gonna do a little walkthrough.
Yeah.
But congratulations.
Thank you, brother.
Most importantly, to be able to stick it out, to be able to persevere
Yeah.
through some challenges as well.
Oh man.
Yeah.
Yeah. I know. Like 2 weeks into us being soft open, we got broken into,
That's crazy.
and they took a bunch of equipment, but we bounced back. You know,
Yeah.
because God is good.
Yeah.
And our community is great.
Yeah.
And so we were able to come together, and here we are.
I love it, man.
Yeah.
I love it, man.
And so we got like our memberships going with the MK Makers Network. So it's an opportunity for people to come together,
Yeah.
to be able to grow in building their brand
Yep.
together,
Yep.
as we're doing right here.
Exactly.
Right? Over here, we got our first podcast studio, which is going to be the executive suite.
Yep.
Right now, they're using the Legacy set, which
Okay.
is a very similar set to our old studio,
Oh,
which
yeah,
is
yeah,
why
yeah,
we
yeah.
called it the Legacy set.
I like that.
It definitely has this new uniquenesses to it.
Yeah.
It's sound treated heavily,
Yeah.
which is a great thing. It's all boxed in.
Yeah.
You can't hear them. They can't really
That's
hear
so
us
cool,
right
man.
now.
And I have to point out real quick that I was asking you
Yeah.
last time.
Yeah.
So now they actually have membership services for different creatives
Yep.
to take advantage. And come to find out, we know some of the same people.
Yeah.
So
Shout out
this is
Chris.
something that you want to learn more about. If you're a creator, you're a business owner, Maricaros actually offers different membership points to take advantage of their different studios.
Yep.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So we'll do a little walkthrough.
Yep.
All right, you got
Then
the
over here-
front office here.
Yeah. Then we got our photo studio here, where we have 25 different backdrops to choose from. We got a fitting room in there. Our kitchenette over here. Got everyone cleaning up right now.
Yeah.
But we got our kitchenette over here.
Yeah.
Makeup station over here.
There you go.
And then over here, when you turn in, this is actually going to be my personal YouTube setup.
I love it.
Where I have my Americaros logo and the lights in the back.
The lighting.
Yeah,
That's so cool. I didn't even catch that until
yeah.
now.
And then I have different sponsors and different clients that
Yeah.
have used the studio.
Yeah.
From international clients like Haley Wilson that
Yeah.
gifted us her signature skate shoe.
Nice.
To Dad Gang, which is an 8-figure hat company that just landed a partnership with Gary Vee.
Wow.
Became their 4th partner just yesterday.
That's
they made
amazing.
the announcement. So they filmed with us.
That's awesome.
And yeah, so this is my studio to be able to leverage for when I coach clients and things like that.
Yeah, absolutely.
And then over here is another
I love this. This is one of
5
my
different
favorite.
variations that you can choose from.
I love this.
So you actually have the choice between a 4-person set, which is our prolific set.
Yeah.
You can take the green couch out and then shift the brown couches in
Yep.
and make it a 2-person set.
Yep.
Rotate again, use the white chairs on
Yeah.
the blue set. That's gonna be our remnant set.
Yeah.
And then over here, when you flip it this way, you have our Eden set,
Wow.
which is our purity white set.
Yeah, yeah.
And then we also have the brown chairs that you can rotate in on this side as well. And
I
so
love
it gives
it.
you a total of about 5 different setups to choose from.
Yeah.
And then we will always do like a 3-camera setup. Right now, we don't have the 3 cameras in this room because we're leveraging across the
Yeah.
different studios right
Yeah.
now. But we'll do 3-camera setups, live engineering. We have teleprompters available as well
Wow.
to help give you a really precise and guided
Yeah.
message every step of the way.
That's amazing.
We really
man.
just wanted to create a space
Yeah.
for creators, for
Right.
business owners, for founders,
Right.
creative leaders to come and put their love, soul, and creativity
I love it.
into their gift, into
Yeah.
what they have to offer to the world.
Absolutely.
Right? And so, yeah, that's what we're able to do here.
I love it,
Americanos.
man.
Yeah.
I love it. Thank you so much
Yeah.
for having us again, brother.
Yes, sir.
I love it. And the last thing, real quick, I want to mention You love acronyms. So
Yes.
tell us one more time for the audience listening, what does MAKERS stand for you?
Yeah, Makers is going to be mission-driven messengers. A is going to be you have an audience to speak to,
Yeah.
right? And you have that message that's burning in your soul. You need to reach that market. You need to reach that audience. So that's A. K is going to be you have knowledgeable assets and tools, which comes from here, and the things that God's able to give you through
Yeah.
your hands, right?
Yeah.
Knowledgeable assets and tools and resources that your audience desperately needs.
Yep.
And then E is exposure. So getting on camera, right? Getting on a podcast, getting on YouTube, getting
Yeah.
on all of these different opportunities to expose that message and to be that messenger that you're called to be. And then R is that we seek out relationships and revenue-driven opportunities, because in order to create real impact in this world, we have to produce income too, so that we can continue to spread that message all across the world.
Absolutely.
You know what I'm saying?
I love it.
Yeah.
MAKERS is my new favorite acronym, brother. Thank you, brother. So, ladies and gentlemen, that's it for this brief tour of Mercarios' new expanded studio. So, for all the business leaders out there and entrepreneurs and creators, this is the space you can take advantage of and create quality content and be able to continuously build your brand over the years to come. So, thank you for having us.
Yes, sir.
Uh-huh.